Whether you're recording with a lav mic like this one, a lavalier if you will, or you've got a GoPro and a media mod or another action camera, sometimes they record in mono. So welcome back to Create a Reality, my friend. Today, we're gonna dive into the mono versus stereo and fix it in Davinci Resolve. So I hope you enjoy this video. I had this problem recently and it was kind of driving me nuts. So first thing we're gonna do is take a look at what I think caused it and how it showed up so that we can identify it in the future. And then I'm gonna show you how to fix it. So let's dive into Davinci Resolve and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So here we are in the timeline of a video I'm working on. And if your audio waveform display looks like this, it's combining the two channels of your audio. So it's showing you a stereo display. But if I right click on this and select display individual audio channels, you'll see, if I zoom in, you can see it even better, only the left channel is displaying. That's because for some reason, my GoPro only picked up the left channel. If you're using a lav mic, a lot of them will record in mono or just on the left or right channel. Some cameras will combine this and make a stereo channel out of the one source, but depending on how you got here, you're here, and now you only have the one channel being played. Let's play this back real quick and I'll show you how to see this in Resolve's user interface. So first we're going to make sure that our audio is not muted. So we're going to make sure that's green. And then we're going to come up here to Mixer and click on it. You'll see it shows up in the right hand lower corner there. And if you look real close, there's two lines, two bars for each channel of each stereo track. So if I play this back.
Always a sign of good things to come, am I right? Speaking of which, how's your day?
Notice we're only getting one channel's worth of playback. Well, that's no good. And if I right click on this, because it's a multicam clip, and if you're working in multicam, pay attention to this because your process is going to be a little bit different. But there's no clip attributes here under Find in Media Pool. If I go into the multicam clip itself, if I right click on this clip and select display individual audio channels, you'll see that for most of this clip, and I'll zoom in, most of the clip, it only had the left channel and then not the right one until later on. Let's fix that real quick. All we have to do is right click on the clip and underneath Find in Media Pool, there's clip attributes. In this screen, you have video, audio, timecode, and name. We're going to ignore the other three. The one we want is audio. It shows us the format, and you've got stereo, mono, and a bunch of other stuff. That's fine. Generally, we're just working in stereo here. And then the source channel, 1 and 2, audio, 1 for the track, and then channel in track, left and right. They're labeled. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Except channel 2 is blank, and it only played out of the left speaker. So let's fix that. All we have to do is drop down embedded channel 2, change it to embedded channel 1, click OK, and voila, Resolve has now duplicated the left audio for the right audio in this stereo track. Now, the problem becomes when we come back to our main timeline, as I'm doing here, if I right click on this clip and display individual audio channels, you'll notice that Resolve has not transferred that duplication of left to right, or in your case, left to right, of the audio channels for the multicam clip. So you can't just recreate the multicam clip and then try to have Resolve bring that change forward from the clip attributes. It just doesn't work. I tried it, and if you get it to work, drop me a comment below, but I couldn't get that to work. Here's what does work. I did a little test here where I flattened my multicam clip, and don't worry, I'm gonna show you how to do that in just a second. But with these audio clips, I can actually select just the audio, hold Alt and lasso select. I can right click, display the individual channels. You can see that the fix worked here, but it didn't work on these other ones. Well, we can right click on these clips and flatten them. That's fine. It's going to keep just the audio. And again, I'm going to Alt and lasso select and then right click, display our individual, make sure it's checked. Okay, so now you see that the one fix worked, the other ones don't. Well, now I can right click, choose clip attributes, and change the embedded channel to 1 and click OK, and it fixes it for multiple clips at once, which I think is pretty handy. So I'm going to Alt, lasso select all these, flatten the multicam clip, because I always keep the helmet cam audio. That's what I do. So I'm going to right click, display my channels. You can see we've got one more that isn't working. So I'm going to click on just that one and come to clip attributes and change it. And now as I go edit along, everything's going to play back nicely. Let's go take a listen to that first startup audio where I started riding and talking.
Things to come, am I right? Speaking of which, how's your day?
And now you can see over here, we've got 2 bars on each track. So we're getting the stereo output. So hopefully a quick tip today, pretty easy solution, but now you've learned a way to identify the problem, fix the problem, and if you're working with multicam clips, you've learned how to fix the problem there too. I think that's worth a like, maybe, I don't know. You let me know. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. If you have any questions about Davinci Resolve, drop them in the comments below. Remember to do all the YouTube stuff, like, comment, share, subscribe, all that crap. What's more important is to go check out this video that I did and learn some more about Resolve. I hope you're having a great day. John out.